have packages here. This is from my subscriber Brent. I really like this one. I already tried this, but I decided to make another video wearing this one. It's a beautiful dress. Thank you guys for your generosity. So let's start the show. Just a pinch of salt. And some sugar. Or 3 teaspoons of sugar. Two. One cup of milk. Eggs. Melted butter. And some pinch of vanilla. Let's preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Alright, we'll just gonna grease the pan while waiting for the oven. And we're not gonna fill it up all the way because it will get big. Gonna add some cheese here. I think I'm gonna put a cheddar cheese here. This is cheese. They're almost in the same sizes, just like that. All right. Oops. I love bacon. Cut it like this. We put a bacon here, just like that. Yes, the smell of bacon just makes me hungry right now. And now they are ready to go inside the oven. 375 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Just got out from the oven. Are you hungry? Let's try one. Oh, so cheesy. Thank you so much. Cheers. Yummy. I want to give you guys an update of the room that I have been painting for months. So yeah, it looks so pretty, and my bedroom set just arrived like last week. So that's also been my project. So I did put them all together, and let me turn on the light here so that you guys can see it. Yeah, I painted this myself, so it's starting to look like a nice bedroom for me. So yeah, this is where I sleep. This is where your cook really sleep, and I always have this thing next to me. It's called a melatonin, so it's supposed to help me sleep, which works. I have been using this for, I think, a little over 4 years now. I started taking this when I was working in casino, graveyard shifts. So I used to work in casino, and it was fun and dealt a lot of games. But I would like usually get home around 3:30 in the morning, and I wanted to get a lot of sleep after that, because when I get up, I shower and go to work again for another 8 to 10 hours. But yeah, it really works for me. But anyway, that is not the main purpose of this video. That I wanted to give you guys an update. And by the way, before it was like a wood there, right? And I took it out, so yeah, the carpet, they just installed it, and I'm so happy that it's starting to look very, very clean looking, and not so embarrassing for you guys. So just wanted to show you where your cook sleep. Yeah, this is my bedroom. Really happy with the progress of my project. You know, I mostly do all the work, so it's very rewarding to see all this, that it's turning into very nice bedroom now. So yeah, it's very nice. It used to be like purple. So like I said, she used to smoke, the previous owner here, and it kind of a lot of stained. So I repainted it white. I bought a paint from Lowe's, and I repainted it myself, and ordered a new bedroom set, because my bedroom set that was from New York was very, very old, and my apartment had a lot of cockroaches. There was a lot of cockroach caca or poopy, and I never wanted it again. So after 10 years, I upgraded to this kind of bedroom set. So it really, really is so rewarding to feel like, yeah, I just love it. Do you guys love it? I just feel so happy seeing that my bedroom starting to look a little bit comfortable to sleep at night. But yeah, I wanted to buy like a bedroom accent, something like that. But yeah, I really just want to apologize, guys, that I have not been uploading longer videos in the last couple of days. Is because this is what I have been doing. My bedroom set arrived, and I have to put them all together, because as you can see, they don't come like that. You have to put them all together. You have to put the headboard, you have to put the thing, and you have to lift this. So it was in it was in the boxes, a lot of boxes, but it comes with instructions. So as long as there's instructions, it's really easy for me to put them all together, easier than figuring out life, because life doesn't come with manual instructions. So we have to figure it out on our own. So this bed, installing this was super duper easy for me. So I hope you guys are happy with the update of my bedroom. I know some of you have been following my journey here since day one, and really excited to share my journey with you guys. And also bought this one. Really, it's a cute little flower. It's not real, but I like this one. Got this at the I think it was called Ashley Furniture Store, and I really like it. It's very cute, right? I love it. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is your cook Zoe, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day. Bye.